6b, third bit. So this is very very important and very easier for long questions. So third bit, first question. Find the sum of the infinite series. Sum of the infinite series. Infinite series. Find the sum of the infinite series. First one, 1 plus 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 1 into 3 by 3 into 6 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9 plus up to so on. So we need to find out the infinite sum. So this series is like this. We need to find out the sum. So we are using these formulas to find this sum. Majorly these two formulas are very useful. 1 plus x whole power minus p by q, 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. Based on these two formulas, we are doing the problems. Almost all the problems we are doing with the help of these two problems, these two formulas. First, let's s equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 into 3 by 3 into 6 plus 1 3 5 by 3 6 9 plus up to so on. Okay, now yes, 1 plus 1 into 1 by 3 I am writing 1 into 1 by 3. So plus 1 into 3 by, this is a 3 table, 3 into 6, 3 into 6 into 9, next 3 into 6 into 9 into 12. So I am writing 1 into 2, 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3 I am keeping aside. So 3 into 3 equal how much? 3 square, 1 by 3 square plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 table, 1, 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3 into how many 3's? 3, 1 by 3 whole cube plus up to so on. This we got. Okay, now 1 plus 1 into 1 by 3 plus 1 into 3 by 2 factorial 1 by 3 whole square 1 3 5 by 3 factorial 1 by 3 whole cube plus up to so on. So here I wrote 2 factorial 3 factorial, but 1 into 2 is nothing but 2 factorial. If we observe this one, what is the formula? Out of 6. So majorly these two formulas are useful. So here alternative plus to minus, but here it is already all are positive, so we must choose this formula. If we observe 1 p into x by q, p x by q, p into p plus q, 1 into 1 plus 2, 3 by 2 factorial x by q whole square, 3 times 3 factorial x by q whole cube. So I want to compare. So with this one, so the above expansion is in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. This is the form 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. Compare p equal to 1, p plus q equal to 1, p into p plus q. 3 implies q equal to what? This is 1, 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. Next, x by q equal to what? Within the bracket 1 by 3, q value 2. So x by 2 equal to 1 by 3 implies x equal to 2 by 3. So therefore s is equal to formula 1 minus x whole power minus p by q, 1 minus x equal to 2 by 3 whole power minus p equal to 1, q equal to 2. So 1 minus 2 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 whole power minus 1 by 2. Power is negative. To make positive, it will be reciprocal. 3 power 1 by 2 equal to root 3. Sum equal to root 3. The required sum is equal to root 3. So this is the solution. So from this exercise, complete all the problems is like this. Okay. Next, second one. Second one is 1 minus 4 by 5 plus 4 into 7 by 5 into 10 plus minus 4, 7, 10 by 5, 10, 15 plus up to so on plus up to so on. Okay, S equal to, let S equal to 1 minus 4 by 5 plus 4 into 7 by 5 into 10 minus 4, 7, 10 by 5, 10, 15 plus up to so on. Plus up to so on. Okay, now S equal to 1 minus 4 into, the denominators are all are 5 table. 5 into 2, 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4 like that. 4 of 1 by 5. 4 into 7, 1 by 5 whole square I am writing. If we are taking 5, 5, 1, 2 is nothing but 2 factorial minus 4, 7, 10 by 1 by 5 whole cube 1, 2, 3, 3 factorial plus up to so on. Now, okay, after this one, so alternative plus minus and terms are increasing 4, 7, 10 like that. So terms are increasing, then either of this formula, these two formulas, alternative plus minus, we are taking this formula. This expansion, the above expansion is in the form of 1 plus x whole power minus p by q. 1 plus x whole power minus p by q. I want to compare p. P equal to, so neglect about signs. P equal to 4. P plus q equal to p 4, q 7. So q equal to 7 minus 4 equal to 3. X by q equal to, how much within the bracket? 1 by 5. X by v equal to 1 by 5 implies x equal to v by 5. Now S is equal to 1 plus x whole power minus v by q. 1 plus x equal to v by 5 whole power minus p 4 q 3. So 1 plus 3 by 5, 8 by 5 whole power minus 4 by 3 power negative. To make positive it will be reciprocal. 5 by 8 whole power 4 by 3. Therefore sum equal to 5 by 8 whole power 4 by 3. This is the required solution. Next, third one in this. Third is 3 by 4 plus 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 into 8 into 12 plus up to so on. So this is the sum. We need to find out the infinite sum. Okay. So what it is given, I am taking S. Let S equal to 3 by 4 plus 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 into 8 into 12 plus up to so on. So observe the denominator, it is 4 table. 4 into 1 4, 4 into 2 8, 4 into 3 12 like that. So S is equal to 3 into 1 by 4, only 1 4. So 3 into 5 by 4 8, 2 factorial 1 by 4 whole cube whole square 3 5 7 1 2 3. It is nothing but 3 factorial 1 by 4 whole cube plus up to so on. Okay, so this we got. Actually numerator how many terms? Denominator. If it is 2 terms, 2 factorial whole square. 3 terms, 3 factorial whole cube. Okay, if we observe this one, we are missing somewhat. What we missed? In all the expansion, 1 is the common term. So adding 1 on both sides. Now 1 plus S equal to 1 plus 3 of 1 by 4 3 into 5 by 2 factorial 1 by 4 whole square 357 by 3 factorial 1 by 4 whole cube plus up to so on. Now this is the expansion. This expansion is in this all the terms are positive, so this is the formula. So the above expansion is in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. This is the form. P equal to, observe this one, 3. P plus q equal to 5. P value 3, q value 2. So adding 2 to 3 we will get 5. Okay. Now x by q equal to 1 by 4. X by q value 2 equal to 1 by 4. Cross multiply x equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. Now 1 plus s equal to 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. 1 minus x equal to 1 by 2 whole power p with q 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole power minus p by 2. So this power negative brings to numerator 2 power 3 by 2. We can write 2 cube 8 power 1 by 2 root 8 equal to 4 into 2 root 2. S is equal to 2 root 2, 1 bringing outside minus 1. Sum equal to 2 root 2 minus 1. This is the required solution. Next, fourth one. Fourth one is 3 by 4 into 8. 3 by 4 into 8 minus 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 into 12 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 8 12 16 minus up to so on. So this expansion is given. If we observe carefully, first the denominator is 4 table. Let's s equal to 3 by 4 into 8 minus 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 into 12 plus 3 5 7 by 4 8 12 16 up to so on. Okay. So if we observe the denominator, it is 4 table. 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 4 into 3, 4 into 4. So s is equal to 3 by 2 factorial into 1 by 4 also simply minus 3 into 5 by 3 factorial into 1 by 4 whole plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 factorial 1 by 4 4 power 4 minus up to so on. So actually we know that so numerator how many terms, denominator that much factorial, whole power that much. So if it is a one term, denominator 1 factorial whole power 1. If it is 2 terms, so denominator 2 factorial whole square. But it is not possible to change this one. We need one more term in each of the numerator. Here here whole square 2 factorial, numerator contain 2 terms. 3 factorial, numerator containing 3 terms. 4 factorial, numerator containing 4 terms. If we observe, the difference between the terms in the numerator is 2. It is not possible to add next number. We need a previous number. 3 5 7 series before is 1. So 7 minus 5 2, 5 minus 2 3, 3 minus 2 1, 5 minus 2 3, 3 minus 2 1. So we are writing 1. If we write 1, there won't be any change. S is equal to 1 into 3 by 2 factorial 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 3 5 by 3 factorial 1 by 4 whole cube plus 1 3 5 7 by 4 factorial 1 by 4 whole power 4 minus up to so on. Okay, alternative plus minus, the formula is this one. So up to 2 factorial it is started, the first 2 terms are missing. So what may be the first 2 terms? First term itself 1 minus p. P is nothing but 1 into x by q, 1 by 4. So add 1 minus 1 into 1 by 4 on both sides. 1 minus 1 into 1 by 4 on both sides. So S plus 1 minus 1 into 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 minus 1 into 1 by 4 plus 1 into 3 by 2 factorial 1 by 4 whole square minus 135 by 3 factorial 1 by 4 whole cube. So we are writing so many terms, no need to write this one. Because up to so on means it will be included. Okay, now this is in the formula of 1 plus x whole power minus b by q. The above expansion is in the form of, what is the form? 1 minus x whole power, not 1 minus x, 1 plus x whole power minus b by q. P equal to what? P equal to 1. P plus q equal to 3 implies q equal to 2. Next, x by q equal to 1 by 4 implies x by 2 1 by 4, x equal to by 4 1 by 2. So we got all these values. Now s plus 1 into 1 by 4 1 by 4 equal to 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. S plus 1 minus 1 by 4 3 by 4 1 minus x 1 by 2 whole power p 1 q 2. So s plus 3 by 4 1 minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 whole power minus 1 by 2. Power negative, it will be changed as reciprocal 2 power 1 by 2 equal to root. So s equal to root 2 minus 3 by 4. Sum equal to root 2 minus 3 by 4. This is third bit, second question. If t equal to 4 by 5 plus 4 into 6 by 5 into 10 plus 4 into 6 into 8 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus up to so on infinity number of terms, then find, then prove that 90 equal to 60. 90 equal to 60. Okay, so solution, what it is given I want, right? T equal to 4 by 5 plus 4 into 6 by 5 into 10 plus 4 6 8 by 5 10 15 plus up to so on. So if we observe this one, first t equal to 4 into 1 by 5. 5 table, this is 4 into 6 by 1 into 2 factorial 1 by 5 whole square 4 6 8 by 1 2 3 factorial 5 1 by 5 whole cube plus up to so on. If we observe this one, all terms are positive, so we are using this formula 1 minus x whole power minus p by q formula. Okay, so but here one term is missing, that is what? 1. So adding 1 on both sides, 1 plus t equal to 1 plus 4 of 1 by 5, 4 into 6 by 2 factorial by 1 by 5 whole square 4 6 8 by 3 factorial 1 by 5 whole cube plus up to so on. Now the above expansion is in the form of, what is its form? 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. Comparing p equal to 4, p plus q equal to 6, q equal to 6 minus 4 2, 6 minus 4 2, x by q within the bracket 1 by 5, x by q equal to what? 2 equal to 1 by 5 implies x equal to 2 by 5. So 1 plus t equal to 1 minus x whole power minus p by q, 1 minus x 2 by 5 whole power minus p by q. P by q equal to what? P 4 q 2. So 1 plus p equal to 1 minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5. whole power minus 2. So it will be reversed. 1 plus t equal to minus 5 by 3 whole power negative will become positive by reciprocal whole power 2. So 1 plus t equal to minus power square plus 25 by 3 square 9. T equal to 25 by 9 minus 1. T equal to 9. 25 minus 1. 25 minus 9. 16. Cross multiply. 90 equal to 16. So this we need to prove. So next one. Question number 3. Third question is, if x equal to 1 by 1 into 3 by 3 into 6, 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 6 9 plus 1 3 5 7 by 3 6 9 12 plus up to so on, then prove that 9x square plus 24x equal to 11. 9x square plus 24x equal to 11. Okay. Solution. X equal to 1 into 3 by 3 into 6. 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9. 1 3 5 7 by 3 6 9 12 plus up to so on. So the denominator is 3 multiples. So x equal to 1 into 3 by 1 by 3 whole square. So 2 times 2 factorial. 1 3 5 by into 1 by 3 whole cube. 3 times 3 factorial. 1 2 3 3 times 3 factorial. Next 1 3 5 7. Similarly 4 factorial. 1 by 3 whole power 4 plus up to so on. Next, all terms are positive. We are missed 2 terms. What are the 2 terms? So first term, actually all terms are positive. This is expansion. 1 plus p into x by q, it is missing. Adding 1 plus p. P is nothing but 1 into x by q within the bracket 1 by 3 on both sides. This we are adding on both sides. X plus 1 plus 1 of 1 by 3, this is equal to 1 plus 1 of 1 by 3 plus 1 into 3 by 2 factorial 1 by 3 whole square 1 3 5 by 3 factorial 1 by 3 whole cube plus up to so on. Now this expansion is in the form of this one, 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. So the above expansion is in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. So x plus 1. So before this one, I want to compare p equal to what? 1. P plus q equal to 3 implies q equal to 2. X by q, I am taking capital X by q equal to what? 1 by 3. So why I am taking capital X, already it is small x, so to avoid confusion I am taking capital X. So here also I am taking capital X. Okay, now implies x by q equal to 1 by 3, capital X equal to 2 by 3, small x plus 1 plus 1 by 3 equal to 1 minus capital X 2 by 3 whole power how much? Minus p 1 q 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, next taking LCM 3x plus 3 plus 1 equal to 1 minus 2 by 3 1 by 3 whole power minus 1 by 2. So 3x plus 4 by 3 equal to, so power negative reciprocal 3 power 1 by 2. So squaring on both sides, 3x plus 4 by 3 whole square equal to 3. So a plus b whole square 9x square plus 16 a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into 4 8 into 3 24x equal to 3 square 9 into 3 27. Bringing outside 9x square plus 24x equal to 27 minus 16. Overall 9x square plus 24x 27 minus 16 equal to 11. So 9x square plus 24x equal to 11. This is the required solution.